It's that time of the day again. I need to fix this. The icons are black. I don't think I can actually like edit the SVG files and set a background. Like, how do you set an SVG anyway? Do you just like, is it just like an HTML tag? If I just put like an SVG thing here, should it work? I mean, yeah, it's huge, but it's working. And if it's here, does it mean I can use CSS variables? Yeah. Does it work when I change the themes? Yeah. Okay. So if I put an SVG, like if I have a way to actually get the file content and inject it as an HTML, which shouldn't be that big of an issue, it means I can use CSS variables, which means I can just give them the color of the text, so it would work. But now I need to think how I actually grab the file content. Just to test, let's say current path is the icon path. And then I should be able to say, what is it, window.cp.fs.read file, icon path. And it could give me the actual like SVG content, but I don't think this will work in the browser. That's fine because I'm not loading tabs in the browser anyway. Creating a tab, right? Data. It didn't manage to read the file. Does it have to be an absolute path? That could be the case. Just to test it, let's say gp.extension path plus assets and stopwatch SVG. Load this and then hey, this is the SVG content. I should be able to say .data. There you go. This is the SVG. This is the inline SVG. Like, this is what I need to create a tag. So I could say if icon path, else if inline SVG. How do you create an SVG tag? Oh. I don't even need to think about it. You don't parser right, but I don't actually need this. I'm gonna specify it like from the function. Yeah, I don't think it's really understanding what I'm trying to do. It's possible that I don't know how to do it, so I'm gonna actually Google it. Yeah, this is what I have, and I want to create one. Use the DOM parser, just like it suggested. Then parse from string. Let's try this. No, let's try this. XML source. It's the inline SVG. Let's try. I'm not really sure what is it going to do. Let's try. It's possible that it doesn't work at all. Failed to execute insert before. Parameter 1 is not type node. Oh, yeah, I need to give it the... Is it the doc that I need to give it? Document. Right. No, I don't understand it. You get it. String to object, but ODOM is an SVG element. I want to create an SVG element. Yes. We'll give you a document. You can get the root element of the document via document element. And then what? Doc.document element. Okay, what now? This is an SVG tag. Cool. What now? I have an SVG element, like an actual one. Oh, now I can insert it, right? Please work. I mean, it's broken, but it's working, I think, right? Let's see what's inside. It's a Kinder Surprise thing. SVG. That's an SVG something, for sure, and I can edit it now. Oh, I haven't actually set a color. So let's say now var on primary. Please. Please work. Wait, it needs to be on secondary. Oh my god, I wish I had like a drum roll and like success sounds, but I'm such... I don't know what I'm doing yet. Yes! This is great, even though it's not really working properly, but this is good now because once I'm gonna fix the sizing, obviously, it changes with the theme. And it's still an image. So it gets like the same color as the text. Oh, I'm so sorry. Excitement. I'm not giving it a class. Can I give it a class? SVG.class name? I mean, it is a node, right? It's a tag. Doesn't work. Cannot set class name for an SVG element, which only has a getter. I can put it inside something. You can't tell me I can't put it inside something and give it a class. Well, wait, let's see. Append the SVG to the I. Let's call it a container. Yeah, that doesn't work. What's up? What's up? How do I... Let's see, SVG class. You can give it a class? You probably can, right here. Can I use like set attribute? That's probably not gonna work, right? First of all, let's append the SVG again. And I wanna say svg.set attribute. Right. Oh wait a second. It actually worked. I just had like an extra space, I think. But this would be nicer because I don't need to wrap it in anything. It works! It works! There's an... I wish I could like zoom in. There's an icon! And it gets the color of the text. Ah, it doesn't when it's not selected. Wait, but this is an improvement. I kinda like it. So if I set another theme, like this one, then it's pink. And then if I switch a theme, then it's pink again. I'm not done yet though. Because, let's not make it a relative path for all of them. Let's do it like that. And now, instead of writing this, I can say as icon path dot data or svg file read, and then only do the first part. SVG file read, and then in the SVG string I can say SVG file read dot data. It's working. So now if I have a puppet pin, then the puppet pin icon is loaded, and it's an SVG. It's an inline SVG. All right, I need to change it. Sorry for yelling into the mic irresponsibly. Puppet pin, that's the one. For any color property. This is something I could also like do it in code, but I know I'm gonna use these icons in particular, so puppet. There you go, they're pink. So then, when it's selected, I don't need to invert it. I need to set the content color to what? No, this is on secondary and on primary. It doesn't change for some reason to be selected. T.select. Selected true div.class name. Wait. Cannot set property class name. Oh, correct. Yeah, I can't set the class name. I need to set the attribute of the class. This makes it weird. Because I don't know. It just makes the whole thing like sketchy a bit. Maybe, yeah, let's treat them as different things. So instead of icon div, I'm gonna say this dot SVG icon div, and then when I'm bringing the inline SVG, instead of tag.icon div, SVG icon div, and then SVG icon div dot set attribute class to be this. Right. Now I need to do the same thing for deselect. And hopefully this is it. Yay! So now the color of the icon is exactly the same as the color of the text. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. Something I would love to do is to find a way to take everything I just did and turn it into a function. Like make a function that converts an SVG file into an inline SVG element and then hands it over. So I could do it like potentially in other places where I have SVG icons. Yeah! Don't forget to